In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your YouTube logo with Canva. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, first step is open up Canva. If you don't have Canva, you can go ahead and download it for free and create a free account. Then from here, you want to click on create. So click on the create button. Now we need to find what would you like to create. Type in 500 by 500. Or we can go ahead, if that doesn't come up, say YouTube profile. So here it is, a YouTube profile picture. So click onto that. Now this is going to be a blank design. Now what we can do here on the left, we've got templates. So we can go ahead and describe your ideal design if you like, or you can go ahead and search what type of template you want to use. So say if I want to do gaming, I'm going to type in gaming and hit enter. Now from here, it's going to give us some search results. So we can have a look at all these different type of logos we can use. Some are free, some are not. If they got a little crowny, that means you need the upgraded Canva business to use this premium template. So I'm going to keep scrolling down. A lot of these are paywalled, so I'm just going to chuck this one in like so. Now we can go ahead and edit this. So once it's in here, I can go ahead and delete that image and upload mine, which I've already done. So I've got my logo here to upload files. Click on upload files, find your logo, your profile image. So I'm going to add that in. Now I'm going to put that in like so. Now we can also edit the background of this. We can change some elements. We can move things around like so. We can change the colors. We can crop it. So you want to keep the design simple and easy to recognize even at these small sizes. Now once you're happy with your logo, go ahead and give it a name. So name it here and then click on share. Now we want to go ahead and click on download, file type, either JPEG or PNG. So PNG is best for complex images, illustrations, or JPEG best for sharing. I like keeping it at PNG. Click on download. Now that's going to go ahead and download your logo. Then we can go ahead and use that to upload to YouTube. So I'm going to click on downloads, exit out. Now from here, come over to studio.youtube.com, sign into your account. Now click on customization to the right, make sure on the profile tab, look for picture. Where it says change, click on change. Go in and click on downloads, find that profile logo or image logo, double click onto it. We can edit it here if you want as well, so we can tweak it around. I'm going to keep it as is, click on done, and then we're going to click on publish to save your changes.